Hi everyone, my name is Nico from Didgeridoo, and today we're gonna have the fourth tutorial about the circular breathing. This is actually a technique you should learn about 2 weeks afterwards. Maybe you start playing, or a month, because first it's very important you get sensibilized with the mouth muscles, the lips control, and the pressure, the inner pressure of the diaphragm, to have a better and faster learning about this. But you can practice from scratch and maybe you get it. So let's start. The inner motion for doing the circular breathing is the pushing with the cheeks. Actually, it's the cheeks and the tongue and even the jaw. These three motions in one. So it's like a local pushing from the mouth. It's like a mini lung. This is the pressure that's gonna replace the diaphragm pressure when you inhale. So you first practice in the ditch like this. You start practicing this motion, right? Getting in touch with this, sensibilize it, and the second practice we already gonna use the cheeks, the same motion but with the hand. You practice a couple of times with the hand. Now, when you give the order to press the hand, you also give the order in the same time to inhale, like this. This is gonna first feel like a little weird because it's the first time you are actually pulling air while you are inhaling at the same time. So first it's good doing by the hand because we have a better feeling of it. But then you can remove the hand and just perform with the cheeks. To practice this motion, this is the key of the circular breathing. Then the third step would be to practice inside the ditch the first motion. And when you feel it ready, you do the inhaling like this, but inside. So maybe in the first you stop the sound. It's no problem. You first practice this, how it is to vibrate the lips while you are inhaling. So you give it a couple of more times. And when you get it ready, you can by finishing the circular breathing, you need to connect both motion, and then with the diaphragm. Make it one. You're gonna make it here. Well, basically that's it. You can practice this in a cup of water with a straw, and because the straw has a very slim amount of air, so it's very slow. You can practice there, and the idea is you practice this motion, and bubbles always need to come up without the cutting. So when you got there happening, is you know you have the circular breathing for sure. And playing around. I mean, don't be hard with yourself, and just keep sensibilizing these new muscles inside yourself and playing the ditch. Okay, this will be the last, the final advice for the circular breathing, the fourth tutorial. I hope you enjoy it, and see you in the next DG tutorial.